Hi dear children, in last video you learnt about the organs of digestion, the meaning of digestion, what is the digestive system means you learnt. In this video you are going to learn about how these parts present in your mouth helping for digestion like teeth, tongue and saliva, how they are helping for digestion we will see in today's class. So first we will go through the keywords. First one is saliva. SALIVA. Saliva means the liquid produced in the mouth that helps us to swallow any food. When you are keeping in mouth and swallowing means taking inside your body is possible by the saliva. And then bolus, bolus. Bolus means a small round mass of food that is made before swallowing. Before swallowing, your food will become like into a round shape. That's called as bolus. Moist, moist. Moist means slightly wet, which is very slightly wet. That is called as moist.
Moist. Slightly wet. Bolus. A small round mass of food that is made before swallowing. Saliva. The liquid produced in the mouth that helps us to swallow.
Okay, so you understood what are the different parts helping for digestion and which are present in our mouth. Now we will do one small activity. Let's put the biscuits in a bag, seal it firmly and crush the biscuits with your hands into small pieces. Put some biscuits in the cover and you crush it, make into small pieces. Next pour some water in that and zip the pouch and shake it gently. Observe what happens to the biscuit powder when water is added. So what happens? It will become into like semi-liquid form. Compare the actions you performed with the functions of different parts of the mouth. So how you crushed? Biscuits, I told you to crush it first. Same way, the food which you are eating is getting crushed with your teeth. And I told to add the water. So same way, your saliva is acting like the moist part and making the food into solid semi-liquid form. Like liquid form it will turn. And then observe, now next pour water and then shake gently. How you are gently moving with your tongue here to there to here in your mouth. You are moving the food. So that is what happening in your mouth. Understood? So this activity you are supposed to do in your classwork. So I will send you this pic to you. You can write this. Draw this table in your notebook and write crushing the biscuits. So mouth part that perform this action. So crushing biscuits is done by which mouth part? That's nothing but your teeth are helping for crushing the biscuits. Why is this action useful? When you crush the food, then they'll be changed into like small pieces. To make into small pieces, the crushing process or the teeth are helping you. And wetting and softening the biscuits. Your saliva is helping, the liquid like substance which in the mouth helping to make the food into soft. Why this action is needed? To swallow easily. When it is liquid form, then only you can swallow easily. Moving biscuits through the mouth. So which part helping to move the biscuits? That is obviously your tongue is helping. It's helping to move. So with the help of tongue, the food is easily moved inside to your next part of the digestive system. From the mouth, it enters into the esophagus to send the food into esophagus. All these parts which are present in your mouth like teeth, tongue and saliva are helping. Understood? So do this activity and write your observations in the given table. Now see the video how this is going to help you to understand about the functions of the given organs.
Teeth, tongue, and saliva help in digesting food. Teeth crush food into smaller pieces. Saliva makes food moist and helps in chewing. Tongue moves and pushes food towards esophagus.
Fine, children. So how teeth are helping to crush the food and your tongue is helping to move the food and your saliva is making the food into soft so that you can easily swallow the food. Understood? Now we will see which parts of the mouth help to digest the food. There are different parts of the mouth, and among that, the saliva in your mouth, the saliva is helping to digest. Digestion of food starts in your mouth itself. So this saliva helps for the digestion of food. Teeth and tongue are also helping to crush and tongue to swallow. They both are helping. But saliva is helping for the digestion. Means changing complex food into simple food. They are breaking the food and changing into small substances. How do teeth, tongue and saliva help in digestion? You know very well, the teeth are helping for crushing, tongue is helping to push the food into the esophagus, saliva is making the food into liquid and release into the mouth. It's making juicy and liquid food is prepared by the saliva. Yes? So the teeth are helping for crushing, biting, tearing and to break down and chew the food into smaller pieces. Then saliva help in chewing the food by making moist. It also help in changing food into a ball called bolus. The tongue helps to move the food from the mouth to the esophagus. Okay? And then now we will see what will happen if food is not chewed properly. Then swallowing will become difficult and it is not easily digest. Okay, difficult to break down the food down and mix it with saliva. When you are not chewing properly, it does not mix with saliva and it is difficult for the breaking down. Also, breaking food into smaller parts help in fast digestion. When you chew the food properly, it gets digested very quickly. Gulping food down into the chewing it properly can make it difficult for food to pass through the esophagus. When you are not chewing properly, it will not pass through the esophagus easily. When you chew it properly, it can move easily in your esophagus. Now we will see the questions in the worksheet. So the first one is help box given and the different parts present in your mouth are also mentioned in the help box. So which part is this you need to find out. So the first parts are indicating towards your teeth and the second part showing your tongue. This is just I am giving a letter to you, remaining all you write. So it's also helping to taste the food. And whenever you see the favorite food of you, then easily the drops of water comes from your mouth. Those water is falling down. This is nothing but saliva. So the third part is saliva. And then when you go to next question, if you eat a slice of bread, what will your teeth do to it in the process of digestion? Teeth are what way teeth are helping? Teeth are helping to crush the food. to make into small pieces, right? So complete answer, this is just a hint to you, write the complete answer. How do saliva and the tongue help digest the slice of bread? You know very well, the saliva is making the food into moist. So easy to swallow the food when it become moist. Okay, and then your tongue is helping to push the food easily into esophagus. So it is sending the food from mouth to the esophagus. Okay, so these are the workbook questions, children. And now you read nicely the textbook, page number 19. You understand and read this, and then come to the practice questions which are given in your textbook, page number 19. So shall we move on to the practice questions? Before moving to the practice questions, you go through the different parts of the digestive system and what are the parts present in your mouth, how they are helping for digestion. And we can also call the bolus. Bolus means the chewing and moistening of food by the teeth, tongue and saliva turns the food into a mass called as bolus. We should chew our food enough number of times and avoid gulping. Gulping means you will get a sound while eating, that is called gulping. So to avoid that, you must chew the food properly before swallowing. It's so important to break the food into small pieces and help us to swallow that food easily, and it is also helpful for easy digestion. So don't be in hurry while eating. You need to chew your food properly and then swallow it. Now fill in the blanks. Use the words given in the bracket and fill it up. So first one is, dash are the white hard things found in the mouth. They are nothing but your teeth. So this you can do very easily. A pink and soft muscular organ found in the mouth is, that's nothing but your tongue. Okay. And write one function each of the teeth and the tongue and the process of digestion. How the tongue and teeth are helping in the process of digestion, you can write. You know very well, teeth are helping to crush the food to make into small pieces, and saliva is helping to mix the food to make moist food. Saliva is helping. And what will happen if a person is missing teeth and is unable to chew the food? When he is unable to chew the food, he need to take liquid food. When he missed the tooth, when his teeth fall off, then he cannot chew the food properly. But there is no other way. He need to take the liquid food to get nutrients to his body. Yes? So this is all about your digestive system, and now you need to go through this from the textbook, page number 19. Clearly you read it and then try to answer the questions given in practice column and the workbook questions too. Understood, children? So again, draw the diagram of digestive system very neatly and label the parts which we discussed in a before video. Neatly draw the diagram and clearly mention the parts given. Thank you.